Porky spread. Yeah, porky spread. Oh, you ask sir. Sir, what number you want?
1661.
1.
Yes.
That's it.
No, you've got a lot of number. You let them see. Oh, stop.
Next na.
Or you stop. You kaya ikaw sa kanta? Or you stop. Because this is teacher's number. He wants to sing this number off. Sina, you stop all of those off. You stop.
Sabi ka, next na. Ano ba na next? Tanposle.
Hindi, stop.
You know how to stop it?
Oh, stop again.
You know the number?
Sabele.
Present.
Oh, you stop again.
You stop again.
You stop again.
Wait.
Hindi pa katuwin.
You like the song?
Hindi na.
Okay, they are waiting. They will sing. Okay.
O baka kaya ikaw sa kanta.
Now this is what they want. Sige na.
Oh, no. Teacher will sing. Stop again. Wait, stop it. Oh, don't let it. Okay, stop it. Sige na. Kaya ikaw si kanta lang. Sing. Sige na. Stop the song. Let teacher sing this one and the volume is higher.
Flowers for you on this lovely evening. Though I have no one to share my feelings as we walk along the avenue. Volume up. When I look into those sparkling eyes, I float in the air and wander in paradise.